Title: AI Video Translation is Simple Explanation 2 minutes. Begin script. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of AI video translation. Now, you might be thinking, why would I need my videos translated anyway? Well, let's break this down. Imagine you have a fantastic vlog about your recent trip to Japan, and you want to share it with your friends back home in France. The only problem, you don't speak French. That's where AI video translation comes into play. Cliffhanger, but here's where it gets weird. Instead of manually translating the entire video frame by frame, an AI can do it for you. This technology uses machine learning and natural language processing to understand your video, interpret its meaning, and then generate a new version with the translated text overlaid on top. Cliffhanger, let's break this down even further. The AI first analyzes each frame, identifying objects, speech, and context. It then applies its understanding of multiple languages to create a translation that sounds natural and makes sense in the new language. And guess what? It can even adapt to different regional accents and slang. Now, you might be wondering about accuracy. While it's true that AI translations may not be perfect yet, they are getting better every day. Plus, they offer a faster solution than hiring a human translator for each video. So what do you think? Would you trust an AI assistant with your daily tasks or your favorite vlog? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how AI agents are changing the game, don't forget to check out our next video. End script. Call to action. Check out our video on AI agents next, or subscribe for weekly tech breakdowns. Question: would you trust an AI assistant with your daily tasks for your favorite vlog?